Hi students, come to cool zone trigonometry. If x is equal to r sin a cos c, y is equal to r sin a sin c, and z is equal to r cos a, prove that r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Come to the solution. You have to find the square of x square, y square and z square, and taking the RHS, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square sin square a cos square c plus r square sin square a sin square c plus r square cos square a. Taking the common r square sin square a from the first and the second term, it become r square sin square a into cos square c plus sin square c. It becomes 1 according to the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus r square cos square a. So next step, r square sin square a, this part become 1 plus r square cos square a. By the identity, sin square c plus cos square c is equal to 1. And next step, taking r square from both of these terms. So r square into sin square a plus cos square a. It also become 1 according to the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And the final answer is r square. Very important point, that is r square is always independent of the angle A and C. It's very important. It will ask as a 1 mark question. Then the second question, x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta. Then prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square is equal to 1. To do this problem, we have to find the x square, that is a square is equal to a square sin square theta, and also you have to find y square, that is equal to b square tan square theta. By applying directly, taking the LHS and directly apply a square by x square is a square sin square theta minus b square by y square is equal to b square plus tan square theta. It become a square and a square, b square and b square get cancelled. We get 1 by sin square theta minus 1 by tan square theta. That is equal to 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta by the reciprocal identity. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta, and 1 by tan theta is equal to cot square theta, that is also by the reciprocal identity. 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, that is the RHS, that is from the identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, therefore cosec square theta is minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.